Here's how I'm making money online with a laptop, a cell phone, and a Wi-Fi connection. As you can see in the screen, $29, $28, $48, $48. I'm going to scroll down, $98, $48, $73. Back in the day, I had a corporate job and I was working as a chemical engineer selling chemicals to industries. But I was struggling because I was not making enough money. And I started looking for side hustles and I failed a lot. And I was watching a lot of videos on YouTube about how to start a side hustle from home. And I found affiliate marketing, which is basically promoting other people's products. And I thought, I don't need to create a product. I don't need to buy inventory or ship anything. I just need to drive traffic to a sales page. And if someone buys, I can earn a commission. Okay, that's simple to understand. I can do that. But it wasn't so easy as I thought it would be. Because it took me a year to get my first sale. And here's the thing. I took a commitment to learn and work. Even if I fail, I'm not going to quit. And I started this online journey and I realized I need to learn skills about how to promote, market, and sell. Jim Rohn said, don't wish it was easier. Wish you were better. And what I did is that I put in the work in my free time and invested money to learn skills and use tools. Now, let me show you the strategy I'm using to make commissions online. Check this out. I'm using this page to collect leads. It has a good title, text, and a picture. And when people click this button, this pop-up is going to appear so people can put here their name and their email address. The name of the software I use for these pages is Clickfunnels. And Clickfunnels is going to send information to other software. The name is Getresponse and I use this one for email marketing. And as you can see in the screen, I can just get a response for all of these things. If I click on automation, I wrote these emails and when people subscribe to my list, Getresponse is going to send these emails automatically. And inside of the emails, I have valuable information and my affiliate links. And if someone buys through any of my links, I can earn a commission. And it was really amazing when I started making money online because I experienced something and it was like freedom. So I just wanted to not worry about money or worrying about if I'm going to lose my job. That's why I started affiliate marketing, because I wanted to be able to generate income online and not having to depend on one source of income. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.